Holy shit! I can't smell something. You smell that? Perfect. It's still gonna do the job. Alright, so we got this little thing right here. This thing has not been started in probably almost a year now. And so basically what we're gonna be doing is seeing what it takes to blow this thing up. When it last ran, it had a terrible rod knock. We can probably put a video of that in right now. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty funny. So I have no idea where the keys went. Yeah, all right. Cross your fingers. Oh man. Okay.
Well, the window's open.
Yeah, we do not have a window. I think I can make that. Oh, we got this. Hell yeah. Oh man, okay.
Nice.
This thing's hot as shit. Door still work? Okay. I doubt this thing will have a good battery. Holy fuck.
You just started that with your phone charger?
Oh yeah, so I don't have the keys, but I might be wrong, but I think this is a common thing on these trucks is that this thing, the key basically doesn't do anything. Yeah, so you can start this with pretty much anything. It's not a phone charger. Holy shit! Bro! It actually fucking started! So when I last drove this thing too, the rear seal completely blown out in the transmission. This thing is kind of on an incline, tilting backwards, so there's probably no transmission fluid in it. Okay. Oh yeah, look. So, we got the good old single cam KA24D. My homie on the 240 forum said that when you have rod knock, you can just glue them back together. So I figured that the wood glue might work perfect to start out with. So we can do this shit, and then what else can we do?
We need some brake cleaner.
It might need some. We do need some brake cleaner, because you know.
Or brake fluid. I'm pretty sure they're interchangeable.
Brake fluid? Oh no, they're the same. Yeah, they're the same. So let's yeah. I mean that should be good enough. So we got that, and then what else we got?
Oh, quickly before we get into it, quick shout out to O'Reilly for sponsoring this video.
Oh yeah. And we got what else we got here? Oh, high mileage. She's got high mileage. This is diesel oil, I think. I don't know if I'll do the 29. Oh, it's used. Yes. Always make sure to use your oil before you put it in your car, because you don't want to put in some unused oil and break your motor. When using a funnel too to put fluids in, it's always important to break in your funnel. So we want to make sure she's nice and broken in here. There. That should be perfect. Okay. So that's all good. Now, actually, you know what? Oh, look at that. She's definitely thirsty. She needs some oil. So I think we're gonna start off, just top her off a little bit. Oh. This is the Milkshake oil too. It's pre-mixed with oil and coolant together from a blown head gasket, so it should be perfect to lubricate. Look at this. Straight McDonald's. Oh my god. Oh, she'll be solid. I bet you this is gonna make the noise literally go away. Like, okay. So that's like probably like a couple quarts right there, and then got the brake fluid because we want to stop things from breaking. So,
right.
So yeah, drink up. There she goes, just a little bit. You don't want to put in too much because then it'll actually break it.
And trusty old wood glue.
And then we got to glue the piston back into the block. So. Hell yeah, it's going right in. This is also great for breaking in new camshafts. So when I put a cam in my my huge turbo on this, then it'll be perfect and all ready for that shit. Okay, just a little more. Okay, it's kind of sticking to the. Oh shit! It's kind of sticking to the side of the funnel, so I'm gonna kind of wash it down with a little bit of brake fluid. Fuck, that's not working. Okay, wait. I need something more like abrasive. This should be perfect here. Okay. There we go. Oh, it looks like fucking. It looks like an Oreo milkshake.
Oh my god.
Okay. As you can see inside there, I don't know if you can see inside there, but she's looking right. She's looking amazing. I need to go wash my hands because I have all this these engine parts on here. So I'll be right back. Okay. So actually, I think just for good measure, I'm gonna put in a little more of this. I don't know where the funnel is. Shit. Fuck.
No, that's good for it.
That's good?
Yeah,
okay.
That's good for it, yeah.
That's good for the paint, though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just gotta make sure all that shit's washed in, because we don't want it to just sit in the head. We want it to go straight to the block, really get in those bearings, and give us the lubrication we need. So, let's just kind of set this aside here. It's okay, because it'll just burn off the headers, so I'm not really worried about that. So, let's just kind of screw that back on. And yeah, I don't have a rag, so I'm not even gonna worry about that. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Sounds amazing.
You can see it's already a little bit quieter, so that's okay. Got the low oil lights on. Weird. Probably broken. Got that good rumble. I can smell something. You smell that? I think there's some residual oil that's, oh fuck, there's McDonald's. Probably gonna have to turn it off to order, honestly. My car is just too badass.
Hi, I'll be with you in 1 second.
Okay, no problem at all. It'd be funny if it broke down right here.
That'd be really sad. Just stranded at a McDonald's.
So anticlimactic. Transmission works mint though. God, I'm so impressed.
Like a selfie stick type situation, or
Oh, it's a gimbal.
Yeah, it just holds it
like
still.
if you YouTuber, like you can just like.
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Oh my god, I'm on there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wish my hair was done.
We're ordering a milkshake for my car. I'm hoping it'll fix the problem.
Well, all you YouTubers, follow me on Instagram. X_Dad BESSSS.
Hell yeah.
Shameless plug. Oh, we got everybody.
See you guys later.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh. Okay.
He's dancing.
Cheeseburger and the McDouble and stuff like that?
No, I just got a milkshake. Yeah.
Strong, man.
Thanks.
Here.
Thank you.
You know people like salt with their shake, man?
Oh, hell yeah, man. Good looks, man.
Yeah.
Hell
Thank
yeah.
you.
I already know, man.
my god. Got blown by. Holy shit. Okay. Yep, it's good. It's good. Perfect. Hoping it'll make it in there, like. Oh man. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. It's a little messier than I like, but I mean, it's still gonna do the job. Oh. Perfect. She took it all. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Oh fuck, we forgot the straw. Oh my god, bro.
Wait, bro. We even forgot the salts.
How's it gonna drink without the straw, bro? Oh, there.
Oh yeah, get some salt
Perfect.
in there.
Some salt. It'll remove the packets once
Yeah.
it's in there. And I mean, there's no trash can around here, so like, fuck it. Okay. All right. If this doesn't fix it, I'm gonna be pretty mad, to be honest. Like, I really had faith in this shit. Okay. Oh, she's already idling better. Like you can totally hear the difference. Should have gotten vanilla.
Should have gotten
vanilla, bro. Oh, you got this. Come on. Come on. Oh, she's picking up speed. Hell yeah.